what's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider with bringing you another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one we found up in Canada. Shrimp flavor. No name. Yay, no name. See? Wait. Is that it? Right? Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Right there. No name. Sans nom. Yeah. I hope it's not sans nom because I like it when noodles are at least one nom, if not nom nom nom. Really? It's Thursday, April 4th, about 1 p.m. Just released the 2019 Top 10 Instant Noodles of all time. Pretty happy about that. And, oh, don't boil over, you son of a... I just walked 8.2 miles this morning. It's a lot. By the end of the day, that'll mean in the last 4 days, I'll have walked like... Well, if you don't count yesterday, because I didn't really do a lot of walking because I couldn't. 30 miles. Yeah. Pretty crazy. I am just beat but stoked. It's the amount of work that goes into putting out a top 10 list is disturbing, folks. I have to update the big list, which means like doing a spreadsheet and updating. I think when I did it, I think it took like doing 100 of them. Then I've got to go through all the ones that have come since last year that have at least 5 stars. Then decide which ones of those I like. Then I gotta figure out who's gonna be on the list, who isn't. And then get all the images in different ways, like on the actual post. The images are next to each other as one. In the video, there's the huge image of the finished product, and then there's the small one that has to be zoomed in on. I have to do titles, I have to find music, I have to find backdrops, I have to do all the text for the post, I have to do... I don't have to, but I always do a new background for the website, for Facebook, for YouTube, for everything. And that pretty much took all of last week. Plus also last week I also did new, what do you call it? Episodes of the Chocolate Break. So you put it all together, it's a lot of craziness, but it's all done. And what am I doing? I'm not relaxing, yo. I'm doing more crap, so... But that's how I like it. This is fun. I enjoy this. And yeah, so on the back of these noodles, it mentioned that you could cook them a different way. And it was, tip for a complete meal, what you do is you cook them for 3 minutes, and instead of having them with broth, you drain them, you add a pat of butter, and then you add the seasoning and stir it up, and then you add whatever you want with it. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. I'll do the actual review part, tasting it, I guess, with the pat of butter. I don't know. These aren't, you know, this is like the cheapest instant noodle you can get from the real Canadian superstore up in, what do you call it, Richmond, BC. However, I should say that I have been thoroughly thoroughly impressed with their economy brand varieties. They've got... You okay? Amy? You okay? Yeah? Good God, did you guys hear that? She's all like, ah! What the... I'm gonna call that a pat of butter. I don't know if I'm crazy. Well, I think I'm a little crazy, but that seems like about a pat. I wonder how many times people named Pat just like roll their eyes when they hear the term pat of butter. And I wonder if there's somebody out there named Pat Butters. Or Pat Butter, plural or singular. If you know someone named Pat, Patrice, Patrick, or Patty Butter, please drop a line to the Ramen Raider and let me know. You'll be glad you did. And so we got these noodles with the butter. Sounds really good, actually. This sounds like something I could totally deal with scarfing down right now, but no. Trying to find out what the whole deal is like. I know people will like work out and do like a bunch of carbs, and I guess there's like people that like lift weights that will eat like 5 packs of ramen with like 3 tins of tuna put in there. What? But here's the powder. All right, let's stir you up. I hope that was pat-worthy. Although I thought it would be a little greasier, to be brutally honest, but I think these noodles just completely sucked up what I believed a pat of butter to be. And I think these are going to be like ungodly salty, but we'll see. I trust Canadian recipes, and you should too, because you know, Canadians are pretty nice. They hold the elevator for you. Walmart in Richmond, BC. We've seen Ferraris and Bugattis and Porsches. And yeah, you can't turn your head without seeing at least $300,000 or $400,000 worth of cars at that Rite Aid. I mean, Walmart. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, I'm gonna attempt. I'm hoping this is good. Man, we were out for like 3 hours walking. That doesn't seem right. Although I did stop and talk to the guy who takes pictures of the birds. I think I talked to him for like about 40 minutes, I swear to God. And then we went to Safeway, and of course she got her cookie. Alright, here we go. It's really good. I could scarf this down in 5 seconds. But I'm not gonna. No. I'm gonna throw some springle onion in there. I've got scramp, but I feel like I should like garnish it nicely on top. What you saying there? What? What you doing, Mimi? Are you winning? She's enjoying some time with her tablet, as it turns out. That little girl of mine. Oh my God, good. I don't know, I had more of an image of this looking kind of like some kind of burlier pasta thing. You know what? You just don't... Yeah. Alright. I think if we want to do this right, I can't even see that. I can't even tell. Yeah. More onion. And I got some red pepper. And that's it. Oh, wait. Wait. Fine. There you go. Come on. There you go. Oh, man. Alright, so you watch that for a minute. I'll turn the music up. I gotta prep the next one. So watch that for a few seconds and I'll come right back. Okay? You okay with that? Are you gonna be okay left alone? I hope so. Alright, well, I think we're good here. I hope you've enjoyed the spinny spin. And, yeah. Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.